Little did we know that I was actually the first person in that hospital ever to be completely part of the process. To see her go through that pain, to see her go through the journey of childbirth was a revelation. It's a moment which I managed to completely encapsulate inside myself, and I don't think I would ever be able to, forget that. Achu, I know we share most of the parenting load between ourselves, but in my mind I've always felt that you do a lot more because you have to feed her and all that, but I think this is the next best thing, me holding her so close like this. Because when I held her first time, she was much smaller, she was a lot smaller than this, and I think I could feel her heart beating on my chest, and my tears suddenly turned into tears of joy. And I literally was strutting around the house for about 10-15 minutes telling her how amazing it felt, about how lucky I am to feel what perhaps is the next best thing to feeding her. So that's, and I think this is something every father should experience. Everyone who feels close to a baby would feel a lot more closer when the entire baby is like hugging you like this, right?
When she was too small, like 2 months ago, I was not really sure if I should even go for a walk for 10 minutes, leaving her alone. But then after getting a carrier, it was quite easy for me to take her around. It's very difficult to hold a 2-month-old baby a month-old baby in your hands and then walk around, right? But then with the carrier, it's really easy. So yeah, that's when I realized that how important it is for me to do my things with her close to me. Yeah, this has been a real savior, because sometimes soon after the feed I would have something else to do, so I wouldn't really be able to hold her in my hands, and then I would just use the carrier, and she's comfortable, I'm comfortable, she's sitting upright, so yeah, problem solved. The reason why we named her Prakriti is because we love nature, and Prakriti means nature in Malayalam, so that's one of the reasons why we named her Prakriti. And both of us, for that matter, want to really give back to nature, especially the cloth diapering. People are like, are you guys crazy washing it every day? But we made our mind about it. We are like, okay, we are doing this no matter what. It's not just about carrying, but I really wish people knew the importance of sharing the load of parenting. I mean, fathers knew the importance of sharing the upbringing of the baby. I really wish that happens. And when I start working in 2 months from now, then it's going to be exactly 50-50. Except feeding her, as a father, he's able to do everything for her.